Hello, cheapestvapesupplies.com here. Got a new product in, very cool. It's actually a very concealable vape pen, 350 mAh battery. Very cool. This one is silver. So what we have here is we have a charger. We have an extra ink cartridge here, another extra ink cartridge here. We have the battery here. We have the atomizer or the vape cartridge here. And then there's just a cap that goes over the pen. So as you see here, so the cap over the pen here, it does write. So, you know, the pen works right out of the box here. Then you unscrew this area here, and that is your ink, your cartridge right there. It's real tiny. See, real small. But you get 3 of them total. A little kind of hard putting that in here. All right, so you get 3 of those total. Like I said, this thing's totally inconspicuous. The cool part is this thing right here unscrews at the top here for you to plug this in for the charger here. So that'll just screw right into here like that. So, but this right here at the top here, to take that off, you unscrew this here. And there you go. You fill it from the inside there. It looks like it's about 1 mil, 1 gram cartridge. And that just screws in when you're done filling it, of course. And then you just screw right back into the battery. And you're good to go. So yeah, this is very cool. It's got a lot of weight to it too. So it's a solid piece. It's not chintzy by any matter, by any means. These will be available on our website. I think they're going to be priced at $19.99 each. That could change. It could be a promotional price at $19.99. We don't know yet. Again, www.cheapestvapesupplies.com. Check them out today. Like I said, it comes with the whole kit. You get everything here, and of course, this thing gets all over your fingers really easily. So the cap is very nice and convenient, so you're not getting ink in your pocket. Yeah. Again, everybody have a great day. Thank you for viewing.